Switchbot sensor complaining of low battery? Here's how to fix it. Dave Taylor here, and I have a Switchbot alarm system in my house, and it works great. And the sensors are small, easy to install. I've covered that in other videos. What I want to talk about today is how to deal with a low battery. So there I was on my phone, and suddenly this message popped up. And then when I went into the app, you can go into the specific sensor and then go into settings, and as you can see, it will show you battery level. 9% is pretty low, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna replace the battery. So the only thing you need for this are 2 AAA batteries. Easy enough. And I'm gonna actually open my door just a little bit because it's easier to deal with this if you can get to the space above it. So I'm just gonna slide it up. That's literally all I have to do. Then there are the 2 original batteries that were with the sensor when I got it. We want those out. So I will take those out. And then I will put in the new batteries, and it looks like there is a picture showing how to do it. And that's it. New batteries installed. And then it's, oops. They don't necessarily want to stay in, but they only have to stay in long enough for me to do this and then slide it down, close my door, and done. That's it. Battery sensor, happy, battery level back to 100%, and I probably have a year or 2 before I have to worry about it again with this particular sensor. That's it. All done. Hope that helps you out too.